all. But before going to the video, I want to thank you everyone, those who subscribe to me. As you know, I recently hit the mark 100k on my channel, and I'm so happy. So I wanted to thank you everyone, those who subscribed to me, and then those who watched my videos all these years. Even I was absent for a year, but still you were there. So thank you everyone. I'm so grateful to every one of you. Please keep doing that, keep supporting my channel. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing to this channel. I make a lot of acrylic paintings, traditional art, folk arts, mandalas, integals, you just name it. Okay guys, so let's get started with the video. So in this video I try to show a lot of traditional folk art culture of Rajasthan, and I made a camel acrylic painting. And if you see the pictures of Rajasthani culture, they are so colorful. The way they decorate their camels, it's so vibrant. So I try to show that in my video. And please, if you like it, please hit the thumb button, and please share your comments on this video in the end. And so I think let's get started.
Hey guys, this is what it looks like, and I think it's looking pretty vibrant and beautiful. And don't forget to share your views with me in the comment section, and do hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And please hit that bell icon so that you know you never miss any update from my channel. So till then, bye bye, see you next week.